Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Fair warning, I'm trying to get my daughter to go to sleep, but she's kind of being a pain in the butt. So if you hear her crying, that's why. Anyways, so me and my husband, we went to the Asian market yesterday, and oh my gosh, I think that we were in there for like 2 hours. Because I was just looking for all different types of things that I could try. I put the other things away for this video that I ordered online. The whole pile that you saw in the last video. So, we're just going to be trying the snacks. And one of them I'm terrified of. We're going to be trying those today, and I only got really like one chocolate thing. It's supposed to be caramel and hazelnut. It doesn't really look like it's Asian though, but it looked good, so I wanted to try it anyways. I mean, it came from the Asian market, but yeah. Anyways, so I've got guava strips, which I don't think I've ever tasted guava before. I have heard that it's delicious and very sweet. I think someone actually said that it was kind of like the juicy fruit gum, I guess. So I don't even know which one to start with. I know I've been dying to try these. I wish that they were fresh, but I didn't want to screw them up by making them myself. So I'm glad that I found these so that I can kind of see what they're all enjoying. I'm just going to like put everything off to the side so that we can just focus on one thing. I don't even know what to try first. This one is interesting. I don't know how it looks to you guys, but on the front it says macaque. Sweet and sour with chili. And I'm guessing that this is kind of a fruit or something. Crap. I forgot scissors, guys. I need scissors for this one. I think. Yeah. I'm going to need scissors. Oh, no. Never mind. There's a thing on that side. I don't know what to start with first. I'm seriously so nervous. And I'm not going to show you guys the one I'm scared of yet. I want it to cool down so that I don't, like, burn myself. And yes, I've had 2 beers already just to prepare for this thing. It's in a bowl. Okay, let's see. Well, I love durian, so let's give this a try. He wouldn't let me buy a durian, which makes me really sad because I love them. Or just, ooh. They're all like wrapped and stuff, and you can still smell the durian. Oh, I just want it so bad. Oh yeah. Looks like this. It kind of looks like a caramel. It's not near as good as an actual durian. I do feel like there's a little bit of caramel in here. I think maybe that's what's messing it up. But I can still taste the durian. It's really good. I miss having durian. I was trying to find them in like ones that are already open, so they're in like a case. That way I didn't have to open it inside. I could have just gone outside and eaten it. But that's okay. Let's see. I'm a little bit nervous about these, but excited at the same time. They are dried cooked shrimp. So They're just little shrimps. And I've been wanting to try these. I kind of hope that I like them. I've watched so many people eat them. You know, I think it's kind of funny with me trying the crickets and stuff. I feel like I should be kind of freaked out about these too. Gosh, it smells like the freaking... I know that they're shrimps, but it smells like the shrimp chips. But anyways. See, little shrimpies. I've never eaten like a whole shrimp like this before. I mean, you guys already know that I like to suck the heads and stuff, so I mean, this doesn't really bother me that much. So, anyways, cheers guys. I'm nervous but excited, so... I don't know. This one's kind of a bigger one. It's just so dry. Like, I know that it's a dried shrimp. I'm going to try this big guy right here. Maybe a second test will... I'd probably like them a little bit more if it didn't have the texture of the cricket, but I'm not throwing these away. I'm sure that they can be used in other things. After that one, I might need a drink because it's really dry. Okay. I am kind of nervous about this one just because it's not fresh. But like my mom kind of brought up to me, it seems like a lot of the stuff that they eat anyways, like in Korea and all that, that a lot of the times it comes pre-packaged. Oh no, maybe I do need scissors. I might need scissors, guys, which sucks. The door is all squeaky and I don't want to wake up my daughter. I thought I had scissors in here. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I got some scissors. Okay, apparently I didn't. Ooh. It squirted. It squirted. I don't want it to drip on me. I have to... Trying to figure out if it actually smells like soy sauce or not. Because I know that they're soy sauce marinated eggs. I don't know why I'm struggling. Come on. At least I know that their packaging is good. Okay, well. I wasn't expecting it to be wet. But yeah, it's a soy sauce marinated egg. I don't know, it smells funny. Today I've been asking myself, why do I do this? Why do I want to try things? I mean, it's a good thing, but Okay, if I gag, guys, I'm so sorry. I mean, you can sit there and laugh at me if you want, but it's okay. The last one is going to be the hardest for me. Okay. It feels so tough. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I mean, it's not completely horrible, but I'm not saving it. Nope. I need to maybe just try making them myself. Find the recipe. That hurt. My teeth kind of slammed down together. I don't know which one to do next. This one, or maybe the chocolate. Maybe I'll do the chocolate just to cleanse my palate from that. It looks like this. And I love hazelnut. I'm not a huge caramel fan, but I love hazelnut, so. I mean, basically just tastes like, what are those called? The one chocolate candy bars have the crispy things. I don't know why, I forget. Maybe I shouldn't have eaten that first before the guava. Maybe I'll cleanse it again with the shrimp. Pretty sure it starts with a C, maybe. I don't know. Whenever I try to remember a name, I always forget. But yeah, that's really good. I don't know, maybe the shrimpies are kind of growing on me. They're just dry. This one's going to make a mess. You can already, like, I don't know if you can see all the juices in there, but it's juice. All of that is juice. So I'm going to do the guava first. Ooh, smells interesting. Give me a small one. Guava. Have you guys tasted guava before? Do you guys like it? Kind of tastes like a mango. Is that what guava is? Is guava like a mango? I need to be going slower, guys. I'm so scared. This one is the one why I question a lot on why I do that, why I'm doing this right now. Ooh. reminds me of something. Does it remind me of a pickle? It kind of does, the smell of it. I don't know if it's going to be sweet or what, or if there's, I don't even know if it feels hard. Let's take a minute so that I don't have to do the last one. Just kidding, I'm still going to do it, but I sat there for 30 minutes watching it cook and contemplating my whole life, what I'm doing with it. If that's even the right word. Anyways, let's try it. It's probably a bad one for my braces. That was hard. I mean, it doesn't have a whole lot of flavor to it. Kind of tastes like an apple, honestly. Okay, bye. I wish someone would have came and tried it with me. I actually think my son would probably like these. I mean, it really isn't bad. You know, maybe I'll bring up those other snacks. Okay, well. Can you guys guess what it is? Hopefully that helps with the flavor. And I really hope that these are not as fertilized as other ones that I've seen. Ooh, it's still hot. Ow. They both sides don't even look pointy. And that side's a little bit more pointy, I guess. Oh, guys, I'm so nervous. Like, this is Balut. I made kind of a sauce that's kind of like Kim Thai's, except I don't like pepper, like black pepper. And I don't have the seasoning that she uses. So I just put in salt, lemon, and red pepper flakes, just to maybe give it kind of a spice. This one, I accidentally, like when I dropped it in there, it cracked. I should have taken a shot before this, guys. I'm nervous. Like, what if... I don't want the baby to be at the very top. If it's like somewhat in the middle where I can't really see it, then maybe I can force it into my mouth. I don't know. But everybody makes it look so good. Like Kim Thai, when she has eaten it, I know she says that it's like a mind over matter thing, and that as she's gotten older, it's kind of been hard for her to eat it because of the whole mind thing. I feel like, I mean, this one's smaller than that one. There's a huge one inside of the thing I bought. If I don't like it, I'm putting them in the freezer and making some of my friends try it. Tell them it's a normal egg. Just kidding. That's just mean. Okay. Maybe I should do the one that's kind of cracked. It's not as hot as this one is still. So, yep. Here it is. I don't know how well. Gosh, it's still really hot. I don't want to burn my mouth. Hold it like this because it's hot. I hope it's not a bad thing that it, like, does it, like, dry it out if it, cracked inside of the pot? Because it kind of looks like it did. I wanted the experience of the soup. But this one looks kind of dried out. And there's a little bit. It does not smell like an egg. It smells like liver. That's what it smells like. Great. And I can't tell if that's its face or not. And guys, I normally do not like I really have to be in the mood for eggs. I just want it to be brave. I don't know. This one looks kind of funny. It doesn't look like what I've been seeing in the videos. And I know that I cooked it long enough because it, that part's not hard at all, unless I'm not at the right spot. This one doesn't seem like it's as fertilized as others I've seen. Is that a good thing? Ow, ow, ow. Yeah, it's getting really hot at the bottom. I'm kind of disappointed. I wanted the juice. Is there juice in this one? I wanted the whole experience. Ow. Ooh, mother F. Oh, there's a little bit of it that's hard. Yeah, see? I mean, look. This one doesn't look quite as bad. Does that mean that the baby's in the middle? Or it's just not as fertilized? I'll taste this one. And if it's okay, then I'll crack this one open and see if there's any juice in it. As I hit it. Okay, well, let's give this a little taste. My husband's not even going to be interested in watching me eat this. He wanted something funny, I think. A funny reaction. But you know, it's really not that bad unless I see a baby. Well, I'm actually enjoying this. Wow, guys. I mean, it definitely does not taste like an egg. Not to me anyways, not this one. Everybody else had said that it tasted like an egg. And everybody said not to eat this part. But it doesn't seem as hard as what people were saying. Definitely doesn't taste as good as this part. Okay, guys. If you've ever wanted to try this, just go for it. I don't know how long these were being fertilized for, but I don't know. Let's see if this other one has any juices in it. I should seriously have this as the thumbnail. Would be so funny. Maybe I will make it that. Gosh, this one doesn't look like it either. Did I cook it for too long? Kind of looks like it. And these really are not that fertilized. How am I supposed to get the real experience if they're... I'll just keep peeling this one and see if maybe there is a baby duck in it. I wanted the full experience. Oh. I think I see an eye. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, see, I don't think these ones are as fertilized as the ones I've seen, because I do think I did eat the baby duck part, but it only looks like this. It's only that small. And it's... Oh, yeah. Yep. It's definitely the baby duck, but it's not very fertilized. Well, Because I did eat something that kind of looked a little like it with this one, but it was smaller. And it was just gooey. So, let's see. Let's do this. Oh, sorry. Okay, guys. I guess this is the closest I'm going to get for now on how fertile they are. So, oh my gosh. Sorry, my nose itches for some reason now. Cheers. It's probably just going to be mushy like the other one. Yeah. Oh. Very lemony. Wow, that took me a minute. Okay, I'm going to take one more bite and then I'm going to let you guys go. Sorry it's such a long video, but I do want at least one more bite before I throw it away. It's really good, actually. I just don't think I can eat a whole one. I almost did with that one, but... Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, leave a comment, share it with your friends, family, whatever. Strangers if you want. That's fine too. Oh my goodness. I will see you guys next time. Lots of love, my Willow BBs. Bye.